वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळी बरी आसली साऊथ आणि भलायकीन. अँड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाऊ टू मेक दिस इज गोवन 7 शिरांचे भेंडे आमच्या शेतांतले. सो दीज आर गोवन 7 shiro means like 7 this is like shiro. So the lines, 7 lines, okra or bhindi. So if you count, it is 7. So it's we get it in a Goan field. So very expensive also. It is like 100 rupees one to, sometimes 150 one to, and so you in numbers if you see like it is around. So I've got 14. So I'm making 7. This Bhendyache Solantulem or Amsol, Bhendyache Amsol. So it's like tangy type of bindi along with spices little bit and turmeric powder and 1 onion sliced. So what we need is Bhende, okra. How many you want you take, you can take more also. Then around 8 petals of kokum, you can put 6 also, but I'm taking 8. 2 green chilies, a few garlic flakes, so these are like around 10. Then a small pulp of tamarind I have soaked, 1 onion, asafoetida and turmeric powder, salt to taste. So this bindi I am going to make solantulem without water. So some make with water, but I prefer without water. So let's start. So how we want to cut this. So these are nicely washed. So we'll take this piece. So we add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then once it is hot, we will add our bhende and we will fry this. Medium flame. So on low flame we will make this and we will fry this till that stickiness, if it is there, then it will go. Around 10 minutes you do this way, and we'll cover. And then again we have to saute it. Now we'll add chili and our garlic. And I will add few curry leaves also, and hing powder, a pinch of asafoetida. Just saute it for a few minutes. Now we'll add our onions. And fry this. Fry this nicely. Now we'll add salt to taste. Now we will add our pattern to this of coca, turmeric powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now we will add this tamarind pulp water. That is very little, 1 tablespoon like. That's it. Low flame. Cover this and 10 minutes we will leave it to get cooked in this all tanginess. And our Bhende Solantulem, Goan Bhendyache Solantulem is ready. Quick dish. And here it is ready, our Goan Shirancho Bhendyache Solantulem ready to eat. Thank you. Bhende बरे भशेन शिजल्या and उदक घालूंक ना, पूण तुमकां जाय तुमी घालूं येता बे. हे सगळे शिजल्या. ओके, थँक यू. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमी करून खातेली. टेस्टी, यम्मी, delicious. Thank you. And here it is, Goan Shirancho Bhendyache Solantulem Amsol. So it's okra with 7 strips and it's yummy and delicious directly from GoanFood. Thank you.